So hello, and so this is the ATM using the GUI. So let's type our username, then the password, then click login. So login successful. So let's try. I want to withdraw. So let's try. I want to withdraw. The amount is, let's say, 200 pesos. So as you can see, yung amount nyo sa US dollars is nakikita rin.
Pabili nga sa stock.
So let's deposit naman. Say 2,000. It is also depicted na yung amount niya in US dollars. So magre-request tayo ng loan. Let's say I want to loan 3,000. Then, calculation. So check natin yung balance natin. So we have loan balance which is 3,000. So nabawasan yung current balance natin. And then, log out.
Kaya kami misip ko.